Morning. Corbin and I are going to go head out to the last field of corn, and then we are wrapping up harvest today. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are headed out to the last field that my in-laws run for harvest. Matt's already out there combining. This is a farm that my father-in-law owns. I've been deer hunting at this farm because there's about 25 acres of woods. Every year for the last like 4 years. Matt just sent me a little picture from the combine of 5 deer underneath my deer stand. Go figure, right? The nice thing about this farm is it's super close to the elevator. I want to say it's only a couple miles away from the elevator. So this field should get knocked out pretty fast.
Yeah.
Then harvest is over. All done. All right, so we made it out to the field. They're filling one truck with the grain cart. Matt's, I think he's opening up the headlands right now. If you're wondering what are headlands, some people call them end rows. End rows are headlands. Basically what it is the outer perimeter of the field, because they plant that in differently than they do the center. The center they go back and forth. So once the headlands are harvested off, then he can just start going back and forth, and that goes a lot faster. Sound good?
Yeah.
So Matt said we can ride with him. This guy loves equipment, right? Yeah. Anything with a motor. This is a boy after my own heart. Right? Yeah. All right, so we've been waiting for Matt for a while because he's still working on the headlands. So what Corbin and I are going to do instead is we're going to take the Prius out there. When I took the Prius out there before on previous fields, the stock chopper had already come through. So there were no corn stalks. Right now there are lots of corn stalks because there's no stock chopper out here yet. So this might be a little much for the Prius, but let's see. You want to find out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, this might be a little too much for the Prius. Here's where all the deer were standing. Let's get out of here. Alright. Oh, look at this. They left the field road. Why wasn't I driving on this? This is much smoother. And there's my deer stand. Right, where is it? Is it there? I don't see it. It used to be there. Oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no, we just got stuck, I think. What did I hit? Oh, look at that dragging. I should probably not wreck my only car. That's what I just got hung up on. Yeah.
There's big corn out there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
You see him? Oh, he's coming this way. Yep, he is. Should we see if Matt'll let us hop in? All right, we drove out into the field. We're gonna hop in with Matt. Okay? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Because there's a combine driving towards us?
Yeah.
Matt's probably like, that crazy, he drove a Prius out here. Here, buddy, you can sit on my lap. Let me scoot in here first. So we're currently waiting to get unloaded by the grain cart because we were waiting on trucks. So the trucks are holding up the harvesting right now, right? So yeah, Matt's not super happy right now. Matt likes to be really productive, which is fantastic. So he's not super thrilled right now. The combine is completely plumb full. I'll show you in a second how full the combine is. They're gonna go chat about something or sure. But I'll show you how full the combine is. And then we got to get unloaded and keep working. I'm not doing anything. You guys can tell that. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the combine. Corn on the cab and she's full. Get all the corn. Do you like combining? Yeah? Is it your favorite thing? Yeah? Out of all the farming stuff, combining is a favorite? Or not? What's the favorite? Cool. Yeah, that is pretty annoying. Well, it definitely gets your attention. Not that I think it needs to, but...
As soon as the corn falling on the roof.
Yeah, right. You're true. Is it hailing out? Oh, no, that's corn. Let's pretend the hopper fills up and the alarm doesn't go off. Is the roof the first place it's going to hit?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So it's not like it's going to puke off the side and you're not going to know it. If the alarm didn't go, it's going to hit the roof first. Yeah. The combine driver has to be pretty aware of what they're doing because if you drive too fast, you will either run the stocks down and go too fast where it won't feed it into the machine, or if you go too fast, it will spit corn out of the backside of the machine and not just the cobs and stalks chopped up. The other thing is that you have to really be aware of sounds that the combine is making, because if you know what to listen for, you can stop the machine before something breaks or before you wreck something. Like, you should be able to anticipate by the sounds the combine is making if like a bearing is going out, or if a pulley is making noise, or if something's coming apart. Are you falling asleep up there?
Yes. Combine curse.
Favorite nap time. Alright, you want to ride with me? We're going to run back down to the shop and grab a voltmeter because the voltage alarm keeps coming on the combine, okay? Yeah, you heard nothing. Alright. Alright, hop down. You got your hat on still?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you, buddy. Thanks for the help.
Thanks, Matt. The combine is kicking on a low voltage alarm. Keeps popping on. So Matt checked he climbed up top and checked the alternator to make sure that it still had a belt on it, which it does. So it has a belt on, but we can't check anything more without a voltmeter. So I am headed back to the shop, or we are headed back to the shop, and we are going to grab a voltmeter, and he's gonna give me a call and let me know if there's a spare alternator at the shop for this combine. If not, we're just gonna grab a voltmeter and then head back up here so we can check the voltage on the alternator to make sure it's working, because we don't want the combine to just shut down mid-field from low voltage. So we'll meet you at the shop.
Hello?
Hello. We are at the shop. Did you find out if there's a spare?
Yeah, I don't know if there's a service truck around there. It might not
be a bad idea to bring back. But
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you saying the Prius is insufficient? Dude, it's a Prius. Okay, if you want a service truck, you want to waste all this fuel, I'll get one.
Okay.
All right, thanks, Matt.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
We got 2 alternators in case one is incorrect. We got the voltmeter. And apparently we got a service truck too because I've been told that the Prius is insufficient. Ugh. You like that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, hold on, we'll drop a gear. You got everything you need? So did it actually die then? Is that why you said it's too late for a voltmeter, or you had it off? That's why. Oh, okay.
Do you bring puller? So you're running the truck?
I don't know. Okay. Did it just come off with a... Or you have probably the cotter key in it?
There's a will, there's a way.
Screwdriver did it? Perfect.
Hammer, screwdriver.
Oh, those massive hands.
No. Wonderful.
Wonderful soft hands.
Don't trust the nut.
Yep.
Ready? Oh yeah.
Ooh, yeah. That would have hurt.
Pins tight. Perfect. All right.
All right, so while we were gone, the combine died. So Matt just replaced it with the alternator that we brought with us. So we'll see if it has enough power to start it. Hey! Now is it charging?
Find out.
Oh, your foot's falling asleep. Oh, I thought you said you were.
Which one? That one? Wake up! Wake up!
Is it good now? right, we're going to find the drone. I was flying by Matt, but I think I actually hit the combine. If I look at the viewfinder of my camera on the drone, I can see Matt's face. So I think I ran into the combine with it. We're gonna go find out. Yeah, I think Matt's got it. Did I get you? Did I get you? Oh. Oh. I was like, it was like right at range.
Oh, yeah,
And
it hit the tree.
Oh, did it?
I was like, what is that? Oh, I know what that was.
Thank you.
Yep.
Sweet, Matt found it for me. Awesome. It's not even wrecked or anything. All right, so long day. So we got a couple more passes to go here, and then this is the last corn we got for the year, and then everything is done. What was your favorite part about today? Go. Combining. There he goes, right there. There's the last pass out there. All right, thank you for coming along with us on this journey. That has been a lot of learning and new things going on this year. This whole filming and recording ourselves is all brand new. Next year will be better. Stay tuned. I have coming up, we've got a bunch more projects in the shop with Uncle Eric. I got that plow truck to work on. We'll be done harvesting here in maybe a half hour, but beyond that, we got plenty to do. So stay tuned. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.